My 2007 Porsche 911 Turbo does not need exhaust, but it'll sure help fix this issue. Welcome back to Artworks Garage, everybody. I am so excited about this. I have been waiting for this for a long time. I got something new today for my 997 Porsche Turbo. Brand new titanium exhaust by Akrapovič. Let's rip into this. Where's my wife? Ooh. This. Okay. What is this? Look how nicely this is boxed, packaged. Pure power. Gosh, the anticipation. Wow. Again, look how nicely that is packaged. Whoa. Those look better than in person than I imagined, but I am a big fan of just plain old round dual exhaust, but I could probably buy different tips if I don't want to use these. Another neatly packaged box. Wow, look at that titanium. That is fucking gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell how absolutely gorgeous that is. Look at the welds on this. Doesn't look like it was done by a machine. It looks like it was all done by hand. And I'm not an expert at that, but a little bit of the irregularity I see tells me this is done completely by hand. Titanium, bitches. Muffler. Again, neatly packaged. Look at that. Oh. God, it's beautiful.
Sounds like an 87 Cavalier.
Sounds like
with a hole in the exhaust.